go in with the hairspray several times. You don't touch your hair. So you're gonna do this. Let me just do it here. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gerardo and I love hair. Today I'm sharing with you guys what I do for my curls to last long, so let's get into it. So I style my hair. Just ignore all the parting going anywhere. So lately I've been liking how my hair looks like long. So it's this long. And as you can see, it looks crunchy. I style my hair with the Escala 2-in-1 leave-in conditioner cream. I still haven't done a full review of this one. Stay tuned because this is a huge tub and I have barely used like any. And I've been using this like a lot, so stay tuned until I make a review about this. If there's a product you want me to try, comment below and tell me. And besides that, I use my extreme wet line gel, and basically that's what I use. If you want your curls to last long, this step. The gel, you need to get a really strong hold gel. I like this one because I know that on my hair it's very strong and it leaves me very crunchy, as you can see. And most people don't like this. I don't mind. I like it because it just gives longevity to the curls. But if I want my curls to last longer than the wig, really define, I actually use other things. I use a hairspray and a hair wax. So once you have your hair like all done, but your stronghold gel, you put it on, you style your hair, you dry it out with your diffuser, and you haven't yet taken off the cast. The next step to do is go in with a hairspray. I don't know, a long stronghold hairspray. This is one that I bought a while ago for working with wigs, and I remember last year thinking, oh, I need to have my curls last longer because I was going to a dinner and I didn't want to wash my hair like twice during the week. And my hair was pretty defined the first time. So I was just going with the hairspray, and it does work. So you just go in with the hairspray several times. You don't touch your hair. So you're gonna do this. Let me just do it here. So I'm gonna let that, you're gonna spray it once and you're gonna let it dry, because once the hairspray goes into the hair, it's just gonna wet it a little bit with the product. And you don't wanna disturb whatever, you don't wanna disturb what's gonna do with the hair, which is gonna hold the hair more. Your hair is gonna be very crunchy after this, and I use a lot of hairspray because you wanna actually coat the whole hair. So what I would do now is I will flip my head and I will try to coat it all over again, but with a second time. So you just flip my hair, and I'm just gonna let it dry just a couple of seconds, because these things tend to dry pretty fast. If you have a recommendation, this is just a brand, I don't know if it's good or bad. It's Saito. I've this is the first time because it was for wigs. I didn't actually look for if it was good or bad. I just wanted it to hold the hair. Um, so maybe that's why it has been working on my hair. Anyway, but this one says that it shines, it adds elasticity, is a long-lasting fixation, and it has provitamin B5. So I don't know, but if you have a stronghold hairspray that you would recommend me, comment below and and tell me which one to use. But you know, a stronghold hairspray will do. You can do several passes of this, and it will just hold the hair. But I've noticed that if it's only for a week, well, one spray on top, and then with your hair flip, that's more than enough. Because the next step, after you feel like it's dry, because it's pretty much dry right now, is get yourself a hair wax or a pomade. I'm using this one because this is one that I use on my mustache. As you can see, it holds the shape pretty much, and this is water soluble. So once you spray with water, you want to refresh your curls. It will reactivate the wax, and you will get like a new definition, just as if you are refreshing your curls. So I like to use this to break the cast, because right now, as you can see, it's pretty much the same. I haven't done anything. Essentially, I haven't done anything, but it's pretty much the same. And sorry if I'm looking down because I have my a screen down here from the camera, but it looks pretty much the same because it basically just coated it with the hairspray. And let me just roll my sleeves up. I don't want to mess it up. And I like using the hair wax to break up the cast while still maintaining the definition, but it will soften the crunchiness of the hair. So I take a good amount of hair wax because, again, this is for holding the definition. So using that much, I'm just gonna spread it in my hands, and I'll probably go in for something more. So I'm gonna grab it and put it all over, breaking up the cast. And if I feel like I need more, I'll just go in and I get more, because it is coating the hair again with more, but it's softening the crunchiness. So let me just flip it, because I don't like to have those defined parts. I'm gonna get a little bit more just for the ends, because I feel like the ends need a little more care. I won't do anything more because I kind of like it to look like this lately. But yeah, you can definitely see that it's slightly more fluffed out, but it's pretty much defined. I'll show you the back. So yeah, I don't know what to do with this because I don't like it. Just push it like this because I like it to go. That's much better. Yeah, lately I've been liking my hair like this, like super natural, no fuss, no anything, just going I would even just go in and separate these curls gently, because if you keep touching your hair, it will keep separating and creating some frizz, and that's what's one of the things that you want to avoid. But I'll just leave it like this. Another thing that you need to do is sleep with a bonnet. You have to cover your hair when you go to sleep. You don't want to be sleeping on cotton or linen pillows, because that's just going to dry out your hair. You want it to be satin or silk. There are plenty of brands who sell very inexpensive bonnets and satin pillowcases. So get yourself one and wrap your hair in it. So yeah, basically that's what I do, and you will thank me later once you do all of this. You'll see that your hair is gonna last you longer. So comment below if you try it and tell me if it has worked for you, because it has worked for me. So I'm just sharing it with you. So I hope that your curls last as long as mine, because mine tend to last for 9 to 10 days if I just wrap it in my bonnet, like put it inside my bonnet every time I go to sleep, and I barely touch it during the day. So yeah, that's that. So it should last you at least 7 days. It will definitely start growing more, but the definition should still be there. So keep in mind that. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and you want to see more of my content, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. Remember, you can follow me all across social media at Panacurls, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye!